Seafood fondue. Who cooks that at home? Nobody. When have you seen that made at home? Never. We ain't doing the frozen shrimp. We doing fresh shrimp around here, baby. I remember making this for an ex-girlfriend of mine. We were chilling at the house, watching this movie. I forgot the name of the movie. It's gonna come back to me in a second. It was making this, and then I remember she putting the movie on pause and then just climbing on top of your boy. I didn't even finish the movie. Forgetting Sarah Marshall. I fucking love that movie. That's that movie with Jason Segel, Kristen Bell, and Russell Brand. Inside of you. Inside of you. Yeah. I took the pot off the heat and now I'm adding each of my separate ingredients in there, including the cheese, so it can all smooth together and mix and become a nice creamy sauce, because I don't want it to be a cheesy sauce, because I'm going to add the cheese over the top and melt it under the broil in the oven. Anyway, I could just remember making this and this being like my first real showcase of showing a girl how I can really cook. And I think this is like really the first time I cooked for a girl I was interested in, and the fact that it went over so well was the reason I kept going. And now look at me. I'm catering, I'm selling plates, I have my own home, and I'm making a living cooking just because I cooked for a girl and it went over well. It's crazy how life works out sometimes. Now look how simple that recipe was. You basically made a sauce, put it in a bowl, put some cheese over the top, made some garlic bread, and now you have something that can fill you or impress that special someone on date night. Tell me what you think about the recipe in the comments section, and if y'all do just so happen to make this, I want to see pictures. I want y'all to tag me. I want y'all to share it.